Hello, and I'm back, and today there's a special guest with me. She's my cousin, my Mashi's daughter, Simran, and she's even an army. Okay, so we both have come here for one reason, and that is unboxing the BTS Oreo ki bole oটাকে? Cookies or biscuits, whatever it is. And you can even see that I've got another choco pie as well. Fruito pie. Okay, because that's a new flavor, and I thought that it will complement really well. So that's the reason why I got it, and I'm super duper excited. And I really wanted that she will even come and she'll experience the whole thing with me. I'll of course be scanning the biscuits also, so that might be a little time taking. But the main thing we are focusing on is the
Taste.
yeah, I was just going to like tell her that we say taste and then I'll cut it. But she said that the taste, yes, the taste of the biscuit, like unbiased taste of the biscuit, okay? Because we won't go like, oh, BTS bole mane ekdam darun and all. We are not going to do that. And of course, people, those who have sugar, diabetes, or high blood pressure, the first thing I would say is please have the biscuit in a very like, be careful, don't have too many biscuits out of excitement, okay? Share it with everyone. First scan the biscuits, because there are so many army, those who doesn't know, or fans doesn't know that they need to scan the biscuit. And after that, share it with your family and friends. And or you can like aste dheere slowly have the biscuits, don't have it once and for all, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, okay. Now she is really shy, okay? So she might be, don't say that, oh, this sister is talking too much, she's not allowing her to speak. But she kept on saying, hey Didi, তুমি বেশি বলো, আমি কিন্তু খুব লজ্জা পাই। Yeah, camera সামনে. So that's why she might be talking less. I'll try to make her open her mouth as much as possible. Open your mouth. No, 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 open your mouth. Okay, okay, no more talking. Let's first start by opening the biscuit. Not in a very destructive avostha. I can already see that one biscuit is. Oh, fortunately, it's not broken.
Purple.
Yeah, these biscuits are purple. Jantish na? Biscuit gulo purple colored. Ah. And each and yeah, baba. Okay, first two biscuits with this sign.
Oh.
Yes, and it has double cream. I can see it to act a brownish or caramelish color, and the other one is white.
Dear
Okay.
BTS Army.
Yes, you can read. Okay, read what is this?
Dear BTS Army.
Dear BTS Army. Next, again the. Hey, Junno, I got another one. I knew this would happen.
Our biggest voice BTS Army.
Oh wow, like this is so meaningful, because usually after concert they usually put this, our biggest voice BTS Army. Oh wow. Again the
Our, un- our universe BTS Army.
এটা খাবো কি করে?
সাজিয়ে রেখে দাও।
Our universe BTS Army. This reminds me
Every twist
of every twist.
leads to us.
Oh, that's like placed so properly, like every twist leads to us.
Our happiness BTS Army.
Why can I hear the BTS members like voice? So since safe side is to have the this one, because এটা অনেক কটা আছে, so we can take the risk of eating. So scanning টা পরে করব।
আচ্ছা।
নে ওটা খা। Let's আচ্ছা আগে আমি কিন্তু খুলে খাবো।
ওটাই আমি ওটা বাচ্চাদের খাবো ওটাই বলছিলাম।
First I would like to taste how the dough is, or the biscuit is. Double. Korean sweet pancake flavor cream. ওই hot top বলে এটাকে। It's like pancake. Biscuit itself is quite tasty. আগে ক্রিমটা খেয়েছে। How is the cream? I mean, like, she can't explain how it is. It's that good. It's good.
Good.
Okay. Synthetic গন্ধ আছে কি?
একটা লাগছে ওরকম।
সেটা লাগবেই। But something very different. I mean, this one is a regular chocolate biscuit. I mean, the original Oreo is very sweet, and I think sweetness content is the same in this one also. It's just with chocolate hitta nahi, but has a very, I mean, pancake kind of a smell. I mean, I never knew that pancake smell we can get from a biscuit. Now let me. I was thinking of adding milk as well to dunk it, but we both are lactose intolerant, so খাওয়ার পরে we don't want to rush in the washroom, so I didn't opt for that. She likes it. এই biased হয়ে যাচ্ছিস না তো ওর BTS?
কিন্তু খুব একটা চিনি ভাবটা লাগছে না যেটা লাগে।
But I have heard a lot of people saying that it's very sugary. I mean, sugar content same ही होते पारे, but
It's not like that.
অদ্ভুত ভাবে it's not like that. I don't find it very sugary. Better than the original one. Far better than the original one, for sure. At least আমাদের taste buddy, it's so much better than the. This is basically melody chocolate. ওই যে কফি টফিস গুলো হয়, okay, caramel toffees. When you do this, it's exactly that. It's very caramelly. মানে ক্যারামেলের ব্যাপারটা অনেক বেশি আছে. The biscuit is more like pancake, and this one is more like caramel. কি মনে হয়? More like that না? বলতে পারিস. If I'm wrong, you can say. And there's of course a little bit of synthetic taste, because that you can't take away from these kind of food, right? Cookies. Collect all 13 of them. There are 13 of them. Let's count how many we've got. Like
10.
red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me open the other ones also, because I want to see whether there are more. You start eating. Yeah, it's cold, because I have a container. I'll put it inside. Okay, if we get anything more, we'll let you know. BTS. Thank goodness writing এর পোর্শনটা ভাঙেনি. Oh, our biggest love tiny voice tasty, yeah.
BTS.
Yeah, with all the 7 members mentioned.
BTS Oreo.
BTS love Oreo আলাদা. এই BTS love army না BTS love Oreo কি হচ্ছে কি? BTS love Oreo. BTS only is loving Oreo, not me. BTS logo, not army logo, BTS logo. So let's see how many we've got from the entire package. I mean, there's no more. And I don't think there are 13 in here. Oreo tao jani na whether it's counted or not. Doubt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oreo ta jodi hoy tale 30. Otherwise, একটা কম হয়ে গেল. So let me scan and see the images, so that we'll at least know that all 13 we've got or not.
Looking like a canvas. Beat drop when you dancing. Watch this.
Let's see. I think আমি একটা পাইনি. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, army bomb. We did not get an army bomb. That's the only one we missed. ঠিক যে জিনিসটা আমার I do not have, that is the BTS army bomb. I did not get BTS army bomb here also. And I'm not sad about it, because at least I collected 12. That's more than enough. And arekta jinish, it really gets very easily moist. So close it very quickly. I'm talking about people those who live in India, especially West Bengal. It got very quickly moist. Okay, now the next one, I'm super excited about this.
Snail.
Aesthetic video হয় না আমাদের দ্বারা, you know, সেই কতজন আমার খোঁচাতে. Okay, so there are 12. ও লেখা আছে কম পড়ি তো.
12.
Looks yummy. চলো শুরু করো. Don't worry, we are not going to have all. কিছু মা বাবার সবাই খাবে. Oh, okay. This exactly looks like I don't know why it reminded me of Dora cake. Dora cake, Doraemon যেন মনে হচ্ছে. Exactly like that. It's very fluffy. And exactly how the chocolate one looks like. Okay, একটু ভেঙে দেখি, আমি তো আবার আছি। না না, you don't have to open it, তুই ইয়ে করে খা।
দেখতে-
হ্যাঁ, oh you can,
ও, আচ্ছা।
এই তো you can see. Okay,
Yes.
has a cream, pink cream inside. Mm.
Mid.
Okay, the inside one is quite sweet. It's not that it's not
Tangy.
It's tangy sweet. Even though it's strawberry, it's tangy. Bits of real, bits of real strawberries. We don't know whether it's real strawberries or not, but bits of it. Pretty basic. If you tell me next time, which one would you buy? I think chocolate one. Would be.
I haven't tried it.
Okay, I'll gift you on your birthday. কমে হয়ে যাবে। এটা খাবি?
না।
মিষ্টি। Actually, she can't have too much sweet, so the cream filling inside is quite sweet. Okay, it's just that the outer portion is not that sweet, but it's more of like strawberry basic, the dry tiffin cakes that we get. It's more of like that, basic, not that very amazing kind of a thing. Let me tell you the price as well. I got these at about Blinkit থেকে নিয়েছি, yeah. So it had a little bit of offer, but the exact price is, madam has already seen. I told you, no, she might be very quiet, but she's very observant, very teacher like material. So 180 rupees. And the other one, what was the price of, let's see, what was the price of the Oreo? You didn't see that? I don't know. Okay. I think the big one was 134 and the small one was about 45 rupees. We offered it, there was 10 rupees, 15 rupees discount. Otherwise, the price was like that. Okay, so now let's say who's the winner? This or this? One Oreo BTS tastes really good, and I think it tastes better than the original one also. If people who likes caramel kind of a pancake or caramel flavored anything, they'll really enjoy this one. It's just that don't leave it open for too long, it becomes moist. So have it just the moment you're opening it, just have it and enjoy it. It's amazing. I liked it. It's not bad, it's not that very sweet also. Compared to this, I think this was sweeter. The cream filling was quite sweeter. So hands on, without being biased over being a limited version of BTS stuff, we still went for this because it really tastes well. So people, those who are not a fan of BTS, can try this. Okay, নাক ছিটকে চলে যেতে হবে না just because you see BTS. Okay, it tastes better. Okay, chalo. So we'll sign out, and maybe later on we might again get to see her again in another video. Okay, so thank you for joining with me. And how was your experience? Did you like
It
it?
was quite nice.
Okay.
I enjoyed it.
Okay, thank you so much for coming, and yeah, okay, we'll see you again next time.
Bye bye.
Bye.